Hello, all is well, students. First, I hope you are safe and healthy in this pandemic period. Students, you might have seen the globe, the vertical and horizontal lines on the globe. Do you know what is the importance of it? How does the national international time decides? How does the city, continent, ocean, villages, mountains, rivers shown exactly on the globe or a map even? Why does the difference in temperature from place to place, or there is a time difference from place to place? To know the answer of these interesting questions, to start to learn the interesting chapter geography, chapter second, globe, latitude and longitude. So what topics we are going to cover, what we are going to learn in this chapter? The topics are: what is globe, equator, latitude and important perils of latitude, heat zones of the earth, next what are longitudes, prime meridians, longitude and time, and Indian Standard Time. So let's start the first topic: globe. What is globe? The globe is a true model or the miniature form of the earth. It shows exactly the south and north pole. It shows the correct size of the ocean, countries, and continents. Sometimes the globe are very big, so which is very difficult to carry. Globes carrying like small pocket globes, globe like balloons, which can be inflated and are with ease. Friends, the earth shape of the earth is not exactly spherical. It's slightly flattened at the poles, means north to south, and the bulge or it is stretched in the middle. Next, axis of the globe. Friend, axis is an imaginary line. We cannot truly find in its earth. It is fixed in the middle of the globe in a tilted manner. If you see in this figure or in the diagram, you found that the earth axis is passes through the middle of the earth, and it's in a tilted manner or not a particular, and meet to the two opposite points, that is north pole and south pole. Students, you know the earth moves from west to east. Similarly, the globe can be moved around the axis west to east. Next point, equator. The most important reference point, the reference line. If you see in this diagram, in the middle of the globe, or you horizontal line which divide the earth parts, the northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as southern hemisphere. A very important reference point to help to locate the places on the earth. Next, that is latitudes. All the horizontal lines from equator, if you see the equator is on the 0 degree, and other parallel lines like 15 degree north, 13 degree north, 45 degree north, so on, and 90 degree north pole. And if you go from equator to south, there is the 15 degree south, 13 degree south, 45 degree south. Means all these horizontal lines from the equator up to the north and south poles are called the parallels of latitude. Latitudes are measured in degrees. 90-degree north latitude mark the north pole and 90-degree south latitude mark the south pole. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes and mark as the letter N. And all parallels south of the equator are called south latitude and mark as S letter. S letter means south and N letter means north. Now the next slide, important parallels of latitude. Friends, this 90 degree south. Beside this important latitude, there are the other four important parallels latitude. The first one, the Tropic of Cancer, which is in the northern hemisphere and located on 23 point half degree north. Then second important parallel, that is Tropic of Capricorn, 23 degree 23.5 degrees south, which is in the southern hemisphere. Then Arctic Circle, which is above the Tropic of Cancer on 66.5 degree north. And next, that is Antarctica Circle, which is in the southern hemisphere, 66 half degree south. So these are the four important parallels latitude